This video is about what I packed inside my car for my road trip, Sydney to Darwin. First, I cut the wooden sheet for the required size. I folded my second and third row of my car seat. I place it on the top. And this water tank, the capacity is 40 liter. I connected two taps on the left and right. So wherever I park my car, I can use the water. Whether it's parked on the slope or not leveled, I don't worry. It works on the gravity. There is no motor involved. Most of the councils in the outbacks, they provide the free water, so it's easy to get the water. And the foam mattress, I needed actually more than one size, one full size and another 100 centimeters I needed for the length, not for the length of the mattress. And I spread the bed sheet. The spreadsheet, just one is enough because already the foam mattress is soft enough for me. And anyway, the roof is too close. If I put more bed sheet, then the roof will be too close to me. That's why I just spread one. And I was using the sleeping bag. It was so I need more space to roll, and this is enough for two adults. I'm driving Nissan Patrol. It was very comfortable in the past trip, and this time also it will be definitely, no doubt about it. And bike carrier, this bike carrier will fit three e-bikes, but me and my friend are going, so only two is enough. This e-bike, when I carry, always I remove the battery just for the safety because I might hit the bump. So just for the safety reasons. And the tissue recovery track, if I drive on the beach sand, I need recovery track. And life jacket, whether I know swimming or not, it's better to carry. Chairs to relax, portable air pump. When we go for beach driving, I need to reduce the air quantity. That's why I need the air pump. Insect killer spray, usually it doesn't need in this winter, but in the summer definitely we need. And portable water heater kettle inside the car, using the cigarette lighter we can heat it. It takes 40 minutes, but it's worthful. It's very useful as well. White vinegar for the emergency first aid kit. Helmet, it's very adjustable size, so I can swap with my friend. Food warmer, this would food warmer, if I use takeaway container inside, then it takes 120 minutes to 130 minutes to heat the food. I put usually two containers inside, 500 ml container. If I put food straight into the container, then 30 to 40 minutes is more than enough to heat the food to 70-degree. Even if we pour milk, it boils. Electric blanket, this is enough for two adults. Either I use it on the upper body side or the lower body side. For one person, if I sleep myself fully on this blanket, it will be too hot for me. So if I heat my body, part of the body, it's more than enough. I can adjust the temperature using that numbers up to 7. I have puncture repair kit is very handy in the outback because our mobile networks are very poor except Telstra. So if I have this one, I can fix myself. At least I drag my car a few kilometers. In the past trips, I didn't use it, luckily, but always I carry this one with me. Barbecue chair, or for the when we use the fire pit, it's easy to sit next to the fire pit. Tire changing tool. I just place it on top of my cargo box. So always I carry the charger as well, because when we drive in the Adelaide to Melbourne or any winter places or cold places, the battery goes down quickly. So we need to charge them. That's why always I carry the charger as well. I'm not, I don't carry all the size to remove my tire nuts. So only I carry what I need for the Nissan Patrol. Swimwear, it's very small piece, but it's very important for every day to enjoy swimming. Snorkeling kit, especially we need this in the thermal pool or a bitter spring pool to look what is in under the water, to enjoy and to watch what is inside. And bag, if to buy the fruits and vegetables or anything from the supermarkets, otherwise we pay every time 20 cents. Mat to fly drones or for any other multi-purpose we can use this mat. Torch is better to carry in the campsite, or in the rest area. Snorkeling fins, again it's for the snorkeling, it's very helpful in the bitter spring, thermal pool, and hot spring. You can use this one. Auxiliary number plate and mouth freshener, toothpaste and brush, tie down strap. In case in any emergency we can use this one. Bed socks, we didn't use it in Darwin or Alice Springs, but we need this towards Melbourne and Adelaide side. Soap, plastic bag to place wet towels and dresses. Spoon, fork, and knife for everyone. Honey, perfume, scrubber, and soap for the vessels. Peeler, scissors, cable tie, water bottle, headlamp. Because in the outback it's hard to see for the drivers if we walk on the highway. Tools, in emergency is better to have the spare one. Coins for the parking. UHF to overtake long trucks. Spare safety pins. Magnetic holder for the mosquito window net, especially if I go in the winter or summer, it's definitely we need that one. And screwdriver for any emergencies, very handy. Notepad and pen. In car chargers, cigarette lighters. National Forest annual pass, printed copy. Boot, if you go for a toilet in the night time in the resting area, it's better to have the boot. Sleeping bag and pillow. Slipper, water bottle, travel safety pouch. Microchip holder, pouch. So during the travel it's easy to misplace the chip, that's why. In car emergency light, in car emergency light, so when we sleep in the night we no need to look for the torch or the mobile, it's easy. Bike safety lamp, usually I remove, I keep it in the car when I drive, when I ride my bikes I fit them. Mobile charger, it's very important. Portable battery for charging. I have already two AGM batteries, but still I prefer the third one because I carry a lot of electrical equipments with me, like drones, mobiles, camera, GoPro. So we need a lot of batteries to be charged. And I can use this one when I drive my car, it will be recharged. Travel bag to keep all the electrical items in one place. So it's very easy to misplace the electrical equipment. So I prefer to keep in one place. Cap, winter gloves, thermal clothing. Not in all the towns, but when we come close to Melbourne and Adelaide, we need this one. Umbrella, tissue, indigestion tablet, because we tend to eat too much when we drive because we do nothing. Paracetamol, beanie, passwords, because you can't call anyone for the help. pouch to keep small items, so you don't miss the small items. It could be anything. Even though I have one travel bag, I keep this in the inside the travel bag: coconut oil, moisturizer, cutting board and knife, shaving kit for men, towel, gas cylinder and stove, flask, cooking oil, frying pan, salt and pepper, cooking pots, offline maps and travel planner. I'm going to cross 4 states, so it's better to have the offline maps and the travel planner. So roughly I know how many kilometers I'm going to travel and how much it cost, so I can have some idea of where to stop, what to see in each places. So this is the perfect one. I used Wikicam's Australia map app. Is This one is very good one. Wikicamps, CAMPS, Wikicamps Australia. There are a few more available. Just shop around, and whatever you like, you buy them. It doesn't cost much. It's only $10 something per year. Cargo box for the car. So I put all the big stuffs on the top, like a life jacket, shovel, cylinder, burner, chairs. Everything goes on top because we don't use them much every day except the chair. Whatever you feel big, just leave it on the top. Fridge. This fridge, I could keep 26 500 ml takeaway containers and 12 beer cans or anything, any size or anything in that beer can size. 12 containers, cylindrical shape, you can keep. So 26 500 ml takeaway container and 12 beer cans. So I was taking enough food for me and my friend. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe.